Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to add a font in Word. At least that's what you were looking for in this video. Word for itself does not offer any possibility to add fonts because Microsoft Word gets fonts directly from the system, in this case Windows. So how do we do that? First, we have to go to a website where we can download the font. In this case it's thefont.com. Here I search for a font, download it to my desktop, and then unzip the compressed file. Fonts usually come in a TTF format. We simply save this on the desktop and open it. In addition to the preview of the font, we have the option to install it at the top. This normally only takes a few seconds, and when the process is complete, the font is already available in Word. We will test this quickly, and I will search for Old London. And we can see that this worked very well. If the font is not directly available in Word, simply restart Microsoft Word once. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.